Hello everyone, hope you are all doing well. So my name is Rohan Juneja. Today I am here to discuss about the topic that is log analyzer attack. So let's start with what the attack is. So the attack we are going to perform is DOS attack, that is denial of service attack. In this, the attacker machine will be Kali machine and the victim machine will be web host machine. So this is done with one of the software or a tool that is Pent Menu in Kali Linux. So in this, there are a lot of options of attacks that will be given in Pent Menu. But today we will be choosing that ICMP blackness attack. So the blackness attack is a type of ICMP flooding based denial of service attack. So it uses ICMP packets to overwhelm and damage a targeted network or device. This will generate huge number of packets as the traffic is completely transmitted between two systems when using this attack and sometimes crashes the attacking machine. So basically what it does is it generates lot of ICMP packets. So we have to build some logs. So it generates lot of ICMP packets which leads to the rush in the traffic which leads to the crashing of the attacking machine. So let's talk about the attack in detail. So we will be using the software Pent menu to perform this attacks which gives us various options of attack we can perform. We selected the ICMP blackness attack. In an ICMP blackness attack, the attacker overwhelms the target system or the network with several ICMP packets, each carrying a little payload. These packets are generated expressly to overload the targeted system with resources resulting in a crash or making it unreachable to authorized users. So basically the logs will be generated which can be seen in log analyzer, and huge number of packets will be generated which will lead in the overloading of the system with traffic which will destroying the machine. So we will be getting the successful output that we'll be needing in to like we are attacking a machine. So now the tools we are using is Kali Linux, which is an attacker machine, the web host, which is the target machine, NMS host. We'll be using NTOP, NGNet, pfSense router, log analyzer, and Pent menu. So you will be seeing here the attack tracks. So you will be seeing here the Pent menu. So Pent menu you will be seeing there are a lot of attacks that are given in this. So what we did is we chose the option that is blackness ICMP blackness. So it was asking for the both the IPs of machines. One was the we input the IP of Kali machine as well as the web host machine to generate some logs. So you can see the screen here. It's a log analyzer. So we have to create logs to overload with traffic. You can see here that the logs are generated. The website was loading very slowly before, but when it's loaded, there are a lot of packets generated which overloaded the website with traffic. So next we are that's the end top PNG. We can see here the live flows, the host status, and all the alerts uh, that will be built in while doing the attack. Same the logs and everything. You can see here there's a graphical representation of the traffic flow here. Like which one is critical, which one is giving a warning. Like we are getting the alerts here. Basically, we are getting the alerts here when we are overloading it with the ICMP packets, we will be getting the alerts here. So this is the pfSense router. So it is showing the traffic graphs, LNAF, LAN graph, and NTP status. So how we can mitigate the attack? So basically, we can use adequate firewall rules and security measures to put it into place in order to block or filter out unwanted or malicious ICMP traffic in order to defend against ICMP blackness attacks. And the second, to ensure that all systems and devices have the most recent security patches and updates, network managers should be proactive. So it is an important stage. We have to like focus on it. We have all the system updates will be up to date and all the patches must be fixed according to the technology. so that there will be no problem like the attack or something like that. So, and the next, we should block data flowing from the attacker's IP machine address using a firewall. So the best option is to block fragmented pings while allowing legitimate ping traffic to continue. So roles and privileges can be set to restrict who has access to the network, which helps to reduce traffic. So these are the all ways in which we can mitigate the attack. So we have to focus on these all the steps which will help us to prevent from any kind of DOS attacks. So this was all from the log analyzer attack today. Thank you so much.